Okay, good day. I am Naka Grace G. Gatela from BSED 4A. This time, we will be answering some mathematics question. The first question is, two airplanes leave the airport at 3 o'clock p.m., one traveling fast at 750 km per hour and the other and west at 750 km per hour. At what time will the planes be 3,500 km apart? So, the questions in this problem is, what time will be the airplanes or the planes be apart at 3,500 km? So, using the formula for the distance, which is d or distance is equal to rate times time, so that we can solve for the time in which the two planes will be apart. Simply substitute our value for distance, which is 3,500 km, and then the rate of the two planes, which are 750 t, which is the rate of the first plane, plus 650 the rate of the second plane times time. Then simplify. We will now have 3,500 equals 750 plus 650t is equal to 1,400 t. To solve for the value of time, we will just divide both sides by 1,400, then cancel. So our value for t, 3,500 divided by 1,400 is 2.5. So therefore, in 2.5 hours from 3 o'clock p.m. is 5:30 p.m. So therefore, our answer is letter A, which is 5:30 p.m. Okay, our next question is, if 5x minus 8 greater than 7, which of the following could be the range of the possible values of x? In this, we will just simply solve our inequality to find the range of the possible values of x. So we have 5x minus 8 greater than 7. Then simply simplify this inequality. We have now 5x transpose negative 8. It will become 7 plus 8. 5x greater than 7 plus 8 is 15. To solve for the value of x, we will simply divide both sides by 5. Cancel. So our ranges for the possible values of x are x is greater than 3. So our answer is letter A. Okay, let us proceed with the next question. The length of a rectangle is 10 cm less than thrice the width. If the perimeter of the rectangle does not exceed 103 cm, what are the largest possible measures of the length and width if each dimension in centimeter is an integer? In this, since our perimeter does not exceed 103 cm, we can have perimeter is less than 2 times the length plus 2 times width. So using the options, we will try these values of length and width if it satisfies our inequality. Let us try letter A, which is the length is 44 centimeter and the width is 18 centimeter. If it does exceeds 103, then it is not the value for length and the width. So now let us solve. We have P 2 times 44 plus 2 times 18. It will become 2 times 44 is 88 plus 36. 2 times 18 is 36. 88 plus 36 is 124. Since it exceeds 103, therefore the values for length and width is not correct. Let us try for option B. We have 2 times the length, which is 35, plus 2 times the width, which is 15. So we have 2 times 35 is 70, plus 2 times 15 is 30. So 70 plus 30 is 100. Okay, since our values for length and width come up with a perimeter of 100, which is does not exceed 103. So therefore, we can conclude that our values for length and width is 35 centimeter and for width is 15 centimeter. Next, the sum of the sides of a polygon is the blank of the polygon. In this, we're talking about the sum of the sides. So therefore, it is the perimeter. Next question is, if the opposite side of a quadrilateral are equal, the figure is blank. It is parallelogram. Okay, the next question is, the ultra football field is 100 meters from goal line. If it is 360 meters around the football field, how wide is the field? Given here is the perimeter, which is 360 meters, and the length, which is 100 meters. And the question here is, or we will going to solve the width or how wide is the field. Using the formula for perimeter, which is P is equal to 2 times length plus 2 times width. Now we will just substitute our values for perimeter, and for length we have 360 equals 2 times the length, which is 100, plus 2 width. Then simplify. 360 equals 2 times 100 is 200, plus 2 width. Then transpose 200, it will become 360 minus 200 equals 2 width. 360 minus 200 is 160. Then divide both sides by 2 to come up with the value for our width. We have now 2 over 2. 160 divided by 2 is 80. Then cancel our value for width. Therefore, our value for width is 80 or 80 meters. And our answer is letter D. Next, the average of the ages of the two friends is 19. If one of them is 17, how old is the other? Which equation will approximately solve this problem? In this, we know that the average is 19 and the age of the other friend is 17. Therefore, we can have 17 plus x as the age of the other friend over 2 or divided by 2 equals their average, which is 19. Then simplify this equation. We can now have cross multiply 17 plus x 2 times 19. Then transpose 17, it will become now x is equal to 2 times 19 minus 17. Therefore, our equation is x is equal to 2 times 19 minus 17. Therefore, our answer is letter A.